Hi children, good morning. How are you everyone? Doing well? Very good children. Yes, thank you children. Even I am doing good. Thank you so much. Yes. Children, today I am going to teach you something interesting. Yes. Today I am going to teach you one new topic. Yes. You know shapes. Do you know shapes? Yes. Any shape you can tell me? Yes. Yes, children, tell me. Do you know any shape? Yes. Yes. Circle. Yes. Triangle. Yes. Very good. Square. Very good. See, children, there are many geometrical shapes which we study and use in our daily life. The common ones are square, rectangle, triangle, and one of them is a circle. Yes. Round and round circle. Yes. What shape circle is having? Round and round. Yes, correct. Circle does not have any sides or corners. Yes, correct. A circle is a shape that is made up of curved lines. Yes, it's round and all points of the curved line are an equal distance from the center point. Drawing a circle helps children write letters like B, D, G, P, Q. Yes. So children, today we are going to learn about circle shape. Yes. Would you like to say one poem with me? Yes. Let's start. We will recite one poem on circle. Okay children? Are you ready? Yes. Very good. Let's start then. A circle it goes round and round, round and round, round and round like the moon and the sun. A circle is always round like the wheels and the clock. A circle is always round like the ball and the coin. A circle is always round like the earth and the ring. The circle is always round. A circle it goes round and round, round and round, round and round. A circle is always round. Yes. Do you like the poem, children? Yes. Very good, children. Children, it's our story time. Yes. And today I am going to tell you a story about a circle. And what's his name? His name is Golu. Yes. Let us start. I am Golu, the circle. Everyone likes me. You can find me everywhere, anytime. The sun looks like me. When it's too hot, you need an umbrella which also looks like half of me. At night, the moon looks like me with a smile. I look at it through the owl's round eyes. Animals want me to decorate them. The cheetah, the cheetal deer have me all over their skin. I am there on ladybirds and butterflies too. Yes, you can see children. Why your trucks, aeroplanes, cars, cycles would not be able to move if it weren't for me. Yes, isn't it children? Huge watermelons, apples, oranges, tomatoes, even the tiny lemons all look like me. And mithai, juicy rasgullas, syrupy gulab jamuns, lovely laddus are among the many sweets that look like me. In the playground, I am there as a ball, a hoopla ring, and many other joyful games. Yes, children, do you like the story of circle? Yes, isn't it wonderful? Yes, very nice. Children, now I am going to show you some circular objects which we see in our daily life. Okay? Are you ready? Yes? Let us start. Children, do you know what shape is your lunch or dinner plate? Yes, it's a circle. Lollipops. Yes, see the shape of lollipop, children. It's circle. Correct. Yes, now you can see the fruits. And which shape fruits are having? Yes, circle shape. Yes, yummy pizza. Who likes pizza? Yes, even I like pizza. Round and round. Correct. See, pizza is also having circle shape. Round and round. Yes. Yummy pani puri. Yes. And which shape is that? Circle shape. Correct. Do you like pani puris, children? Yes. Yummy, yummy. Yes. Now what is this, children? Puris. Yes. Chole puri. Which shape is that, Ann? Correct. Circle shape. Yes. Now children, what are these? And who makes this at home? Yes, your mama makes gol rotis. Yes, correct. Balloons. Yes, colorful balloons. These are also in circle shape. Isn't it, children? What are these, children? Yes, these are sunglasses. And which shape are sunglasses having? Circle shape. Correct. Children, now I will show you how to draw a circle. You can either draw a circle without using any object. This is called freehand drawing. You can also use objects like a bangle to draw a circle. This way. Various sizes can be drawn as per your need. Like this. Okay, children? Children, now our activity time. We are going to do today's activity using circular shape. Okay? For this, you need 3 circles of different colors as per the traffic signals and black rectangular shape as a background. You can take your parents' helps to cut out these circles. Okay? Now you can paste these circles in a row like first red color followed by yellow color, and finally green color. Yes. See children, our traffic signal is ready. Children, now I will show you how to make penguin using circles. For that you need circles and one black sketch pen and glue stick. Fold the black and white circles from the corner and place the white circle inside the black circle's fold. You have to apply some glue on it. Okay, children? Like this, you have to put the white circle inside the black circle. Yes. Now fold the small circles in half and stick them at the bottom for his legs. Like this. Apply some glue. Yes, now you can paste it. Now stick the smaller black circle at the top of the body. For his head. For his beak, we will fold the small circle and stick it partially to the head. This way. Finally, stick the smallest white circle for his eye and draw a small eyeball in the center of the white circle with the sketch pen. Our cute little penguin is ready. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small poem, small story and small activity. Make sure you try the activity given in this video and try to draw circle shape at home. Okay children? Bye bye. See you next time. Take care.